And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 102. Let me show you how you can create mask shape transitions. Just stack 2 clips and give the clip on top a mask. Currently you have circles, rectangles, stars and hearts, and even a text available. I'm going to talk about that in a later video. For now we're going to use the circle, and for us important is the size. So go to the position where you want to have the transition starting, set the size to 1, and then create a keyframe right here using the diamond icon. Move forward, create another keyframe. Or not for rotation, for size. And then let me drag it, and you can see for this specific window, 4200 should be fine. So I set the size in with an 8 to that value. And now the size being animated, and this gives us a circle transition. As I said, you can do that with all the shapes that are available in CapCut. Currently, once again, circle, rectangle, stars, and heart. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.